Am kalau ada gaji sisa, gaji sisa, norba. Kumpul fly ki leaders juga BJP naru Ribhoi, Jente Hills, Western Hills, Shillong pun fly apa. Ani gar kom bombiang gar kom tim, rom penyajo present ba Anas Mauri. The series of jadi kendu company receive very soon in meeting no. But the statement by Chimisar Gade, not only 50%, more than nearly 75 to 80%. Wallet way are sulong usang way are like kumbagalong mensura ke parti ke congsit bahaga office yang dap mam mentatakan agak ha babunum nesna subanya le dan melaban dinai de kuma play hari ni benai beradab clearly ngelaga statement that BJP day by day sinking kala nangam apa kerja alam jong ba anak semua lada ngila discuss but newly appointed National President Dr. Choba Au ngila highlights you ya ka happening but biasa ki news statement gini ay urulatif ba ke kasong ha kinong yalam juga BJP begini song lang baru begini agak joint statement dalam ka BJP ke nomor Dr. Choba Au from the day one bu ya kendu ingi di mulaca appoint sa tunggumu national vice president sa tunggumu in charge ng Meghalaya te ulatip di kita ki te ulahin siya ngiru ba ini benyo ya ka complain not verbally but in writing. Then accordingly unsatika but central leaders but accordingly so kapur kalai pada benwegno wara do way but kanang balaban lumban lang yang ya pro gitu bala di badan misunderstanding lanika dictatorship pabule but we musnan ngin lungin lang yang gibaro this way once the leadership is changed ke parti ru kala samban guru yang gumulong mensura he ka statement kalong very childish banong ba kalong surprise ya ka statement by IUCM it's true the statement which has been given by the Honorable Chief Minister Meghalaya Conrad Sangma it's a ground reality, it's a fact. It's not a surprise thing because as a Chief Minister he's the head of the state, he's the father of the MDA government. You have got every right to give any statement or suggestion because as I have said earlier, from the day one the central leaders they have given us the signal, the directive that both of us me and ALHEC we should support the MDA government led by the Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. So anything, if you have to pull from government, who is he to give the statement? He's a mere president selected by manipulation. Selected by the manipulation. I'm elected by the Constitution of India, by the people of my constituency, 1970 law. He's a mad president. He challenged what challenge? Childish challenge. He doesn't hold any water. Who is he? Who is he to direct? I've said earlier, he's only selected by manipulation. I'm elected by the people of Shillong as per the Constitution of India.